Welcome to the Midtown Chimney series, Why We Inspect, with myself, Byron on the Rooftop, your host, as we inspect fireplaces and chimneys across America with problems and issues ranging from bird nests and direct vent flues, clearance to combustibles on solid fuel burning appliances, and much more.
This home had a fireplace that looked perfectly fine until we inspected it. What we found? Wood framing built directly against the chimney, a clear violation of manufacturer clearance requirements and fire code. When wood contacts a chimney that regularly reaches high temperatures, it can slowly char over time and eventually ignite. This is called pyrolysis, and it can cause a house fire with no visible warning signs. This isn't a rare mistake. We find it regularly. Clearances can only be seen when holes are drilled in walls and cameras are inserted. When other low-quality craftsmanship is observed, the technician may increase the level of inspection appropriately. In this case, the homeowner had no idea.
And that's exactly why we inspect. Most customers have no idea what's actually going on in their chimney until someone actually takes a look. I'm Byron with Midtown Chimney. If you haven't had your chimney inspected in a while, give us a call. We'd love to help. Sweep, inspect, trust. Oh, and don't forget to feed the Google monster by clicking like and subscribe if you would, please.